the next topic is GCC compiler. Okay, so what is the GCC compiler? Basically GCC, let me write, basically GCC is a command based compiler. Also we can call it's a GNU Compiler Collection. Okay, collection. If you not watch our compiler lesson, you can go and watch that one also. Okay, so we have to understand what is the CC compiler, what is the GCC compiler, how we can write the code. Okay, so come to the terminal. So suppose we are on the terminal. So like as you can see, suppose I am going to write one program 1.c. okay, so once I write this program, I need to compile that program. So we have to discuss about the later what are the compilation process and what are the compilation stages are there. Okay, so once my source code is done, we are going to run and then we have to compile the code. So once the compile, we have to get the result. Okay, okay, fine, yeah. So come back now. So in the command based environment, basically we are deal with the GCC compiler. Okay, so how to run that, means how to compile our code. So it's a very simple. You can write GCC, okay, and program name and .c. Yeah, you can write this one. Okay, GCC and program name .c. Okay, GCC is a command based compiler. Okay, and you can do one more thing also. You can do the shortcut CC. You can put the CC. So we'll talk about what is the CC. Then you can get the executable file also. You can see. Then you can, if you run that file, then you will be get the result. Okay, if you run that file, then you can get the result. Okay, so come to the notepad again. Okay, so let me write. So basically yeah, you can use for the compile the code, you can use what you can use GCC, okay, and program name dot, what are the extension you have to put. Okay, so it should be the capital letter. Okay, fine. And also you can do CCC program name .c. So what is the CC here? Basically CC is the shortcut. You can say CC is the shortcut. Okay, CC is the shortcut. You can say alias of GCC. Okay, it's a alias of GCC. It's a shortcut. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, nice. So this is the compiler basically. So means how we can write the code through the VI editor. We can write the code through the VI editor. We can write the code, and then once the code is done, then you can compile that code. So through which compiler you can compile? Through the GCC compiler you can compile your code. Okay, once the compilation is done, then you can get the result. Okay, now the question is, if your system that compiler is not there, then how you can install that compiler. Okay, suppose in this system, suppose in your system, if possible your compiler is not there, then how you can do that? Suppose you are using the Unix machine. For the Unix machine, you have to pass the command brew. Okay, then install GCC. Okay, so this is the if you are using the Unix system, then you can use brew. Okay, install GCC. If you are using the Linux machine, then you have to what you have to do, sudo apt install GCC. Okay, this is the command you have to put. Okay, fine. Now if you want to check which version you are using right now, okay, just you have to put GCC -- version. It will display your current version. Okay, here you can see my version is 16. Okay, now there are two ways you can compile your program. So let's see how we can compile and what are the way. So basically, as you can see, suppose I have this program. Let me delete that one, rma.out. Okay, I am deleting this. You can see I have C program. So the first way is to how to compile GCC. Yeah, we can put CCC. Okay, GCC program name. What is the program name? And the last is the extension. Okay. So this is the one way. You can see your output file is generated, executable file. And second way, this is the first way. Let me write GCC program.c. So this is the one way. Okay, this is the one way, and through this. And the second way, yeah, here you can see CC. The second way, you can put GCC, whatever the program name. Okay, you can put, let me come to here, GCC and the program name and object file -object, and whatever the executable file you have to put the name, then you can put the name. So let's do that. Let's do this. First of all, I'm deleting this one, rm. Okay, a.out. Okay, now I am going to using the second way, GCC program name. Okay, -o. Okay, then target name. So suppose I want to put the program, means like I want to put this file name to some different name, like I want to put result. Okay, executable name you can put. Okay, executable file name. Okay, so now you can see my executable file is this one. Okay, okay, fine. Now I am going to compile that one. So how to compile? It's you have to do a dot and a result. Okay, so let's see. You can see the hello world. So this is my program. Okay, so this is the two, means for the compiling the program, this is the way. Through these two way you can compile. If you don't want the a.out file, this file you don't want, then you can do this one. Here you can choose your file name. So whatever the file you want to put, you can choose. Okay, so this is the this is the about the GCC compiler and CC compiler. Okay.